welcome back to Queensland. We're on the Gold Coast of Australia. You know why it's the Gold Coast? Because it's under construction right now. Very popular here, about an hour outside of Brisbane. Look at that water. And there's the actual Gold Coast way down there. And the tallest building in all of Australia, I believe, is that one. I believe I also saw the next tallest 4 buildings were all in Melbourne, and then it's in Sydney. So the real question is, should this drongo go into the ocean? I'm not wearing my swimming costume, but I will get my feet in. Look how beautiful that looks. It's another day and another beautiful beach in Australia, right, Q?
Better believe it.